Our next great discoveries opened our eyes to the biology of the macro, those systems on which all life on the planet depends. The year is 1771. Chemist Joseph Priestley conducts a series of experiments to see what happens when he heats various substances in closed jars and collects any gases coming off. In one of the experiments, he put a lit candle under the jar, but the flame quickly burned out. In Priestley's words, the air inside was injured. Curious what effect this injured air might have on a living thing, he placed a mint leaf inside the jar and left it there for 10 days. When Priestley checked back, incredibly, the leaf was still green. Somehow the air inside the jar was fresh again. Priestley speculated that the mint leaf must be responsible for this transformation. But how? This question remained unanswered until a Dutch scientist named Jan Ingenhousz decided to duplicate Priestley's experiments. Using plants, Ingenhousz witnessed the same beguiling phenomenon. After conducting a series of more tests, Ingenhousz began to realize what was happening. The ability of a plant to transform the air inside the jar only worked if the plant was exposed to sunlight. This was the breakthrough. Together, Priestley and Ingenhousz had discovered photosynthesis, the biochemical process by which plants trap the energy of sunlight and convert it into chemical energy. Photosynthesis removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and replenishes it with the gas on which our survival depends, oxygen. The same gas that Joseph Priestley would discover 3 years later in 1774.